Are you tired of waking up to bland, lukewarm coffee that barely satisfies your caffeine cravings? Imagine having a coffee maker that not only delivers bold, flavorful coffee, but also gives you the ability to customize your brew to perfection. Enter this Gevi 12-cup programmable drip coffee maker, an advanced yet user-friendly coffee machine that promises to transform your morning routine into a delightful coffee experience. Sleek design meets functionality. The Gevi 12-cup programmable drip coffee maker is an eye-catching addition to any kitchen countertop. Its sleek and modern design, complete with a large, easy-to-navigate touchscreen, allows even the most casual coffee drinker to feel like a barista. The LED display is clear and straightforward, making it a breeze to program your brew for the perfect cup of coffee. Whether you're at home, in the office, or at a dorm, the machine's compact size ensures it fits comfortably in any space without sacrificing capacity, making it perfect for family households, shared living spaces, or even small offices. The 12-cup capacity is more than enough for multiple coffee drinkers, ensuring that no one is left waiting for their morning boost. Easy programmability for your daily coffee fix. One of the standout features of the Gevi coffee maker is its programmability. With a 24-hour timer, you can set your coffee to start brewing at the exact time you need it. Whether you're looking to wake up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee or have a hot pot ready when you arrive home from work, this feature ensures that your coffee is ready when you need it most. The programmable nature of this machine extends beyond just timing. With the touch control feature, you can also adjust the strength of your coffee. Choose from 3 distinct flavors: classic, intense, or rich, to match your taste preference. Whether you're in the mood for a mellow cup or something bold that packs a punch, Gevi has you covered. Brewed to perfection. Nothing beats the satisfaction of a perfect cup of coffee. The Gevi 12-cup drip coffee maker ensures that every cup is brewed to perfection, thanks to its adjustable brewing strength feature. By controlling the flavor intensity and acidity levels, this coffee maker allows you to create a balanced, aromatic brew that suits your taste. One unique offering is its iced coffee function, making it a versatile option for both hot summer days and cool mornings. The iced coffee feature cools your brew quickly while retaining its robust flavor, giving you a refreshing drink without losing that much-needed caffeine kick. Keeping your coffee hot for hours. Another feature that sets the Gevi coffee maker apart is its impressive ability to keep your coffee warm for up to 4 hours. The auto shut-off feature ensures that your coffee stays warm and fresh while also saving energy. No more reheating or pouring out cold, stale coffee. Gevi has your back, maintaining your coffee at just the right temperature for hours. Eco-friendly and cost-efficient. A key feature many coffee enthusiasts will appreciate is the permanent filter. Unlike traditional coffee makers that require disposable paper filters, the Gevi uses a reusable filter. Not only is this better for the environment, but it also saves you money in the long run. It's another nod toward green living, aligning with today's more eco-conscious consumers. Anti-drip system for no-mess brewing. There's nothing worse than coffee spilling all over your counter. Gevi's anti-drip system ensures that the brewing process is smooth and mess-free. This precise water flow control reduces the chance of spills, making the coffee-making experience even more enjoyable and stress-free. No more worrying about cleaning up messy coffee drips. This coffee maker delivers a hassle-free brew every time. Easy to clean, easy to maintain. Keeping your coffee maker clean is crucial to enjoying the freshest tasting coffee. The Gevi coffee maker is designed with easy maintenance in mind. Both the filter and the carafe are simple to clean with warm water and soap, and you can also use a coffee maker cleaner for a deeper cleanse. Regular cleaning ensures that your machine performs at its best and lasts longer. The anti-drip design also reduces the need for constant cleanup, keeping your coffee maker looking and working like new for longer. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. When investing in a coffee maker, reliability and durability are essential. With the Gevi 12-cup programmable drip coffee maker, you can rest assured that you're getting a high-quality product backed by a 12-month warranty and lifetime tech support. Should you encounter any issues, Gevi's customer support team is readily available to assist you. Gevi values your satisfaction above all, ensuring that every coffee drinking experience you have with their product is a positive one. Why the Gevi 12-cup drip coffee maker is a must-have. To sum it up, the Gevi 12-cup programmable drip coffee maker is not just a coffee machine. It's a tool that enhances your daily routine by delivering coffee exactly how you like it. Whether you're a casual coffee drinker or a full-fledged aficionado, this machine offers flexibility, ease of use, and a satisfying brew every time. From its sleek design and advanced programmability to the environmental benefits of its reusable filter, Gevi has thought of everything. The inclusion of an iced coffee function, a 24-hour timer, and a 4-hour keep-warm plate adds extra convenience, making it a truly comprehensive coffee maker for any home or office. Whether you're rushing in the morning or taking it slow on the weekend, this coffee maker adapts to your schedule and needs, ensuring you never have to settle for anything less than a perfect cup of coffee. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.